सर वीडियो ले रहे हैं क्या? Stop that video right now.
It is not allowed to use
No.
camera inside.
नहीं 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 ले सकते हैं आप ले सकते हैं। अरे मैडम आप हमारे को सपोर्ट नहीं
Security को बुलाओ.
करते, आप बुलाओ सिक्योरिटी को।
I am from security only.
कोई तरीका है मैडम, वो सिस्टम।
आप लोग हमें 1 घंटे के बाद देखिए,
सर हमने आपको अपडेट
नहीं नहीं दिया मैडम,
नहीं हिंदी में नहीं बोला आपने।
आप पूछिए उनसे, मैं कम से कम 3 बार आके गया, हमारे को पता नहीं है, हमारे को पता नहीं है बोल रहे मैडम।
तो सर मेरा information
हाँ मैडम बोला ना, जवाब 12 बजे की बोल रहे हैं आप।
Because it's a public area.
ऐसे रिकॉर्डिंग करने अलाउ नहीं है सर हमारे।
SpiceJet SG162 PRN number, you can see. My flight time was 21:55 and right now you can see it's 11:05 already, and still we are here waiting inside the plane. There is something technical issue, I'm not sure what happened. Already I have checked almost like 3 to 4 times, but they said we don't have any update so far, something related to ground staff or something like this. So let's see, but if possible I would like to cancel my flight and change, or maybe they should arrange some another flight for us, because if something major issue I don't want to take any risk. Let me check with other people what they suggest.
more than problem 1 hour completely, and not for reasons for this stopping this flight.
Yeah, actually there is no update from anyone so far what's going on. They said we don't have any update. Everyone is just trying to check if something related to technical or not. So far there is no update from anyone. We just received water almost like 2-3 times and there is no assurance, there is no update from anyone so far.
Facebook पे डाल दो भाई।
See, the time is already 11:06 and the flight time was 21:55.
लेडीज का भी सर्विस सही नहीं है, सीधी सीधी बात है उसके अंदर। दूसरी
अरे मैडम आज आपका आज आप बोल रहे हैं वेडनेसडे के दिन, 1 मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए, ये वेडनेसडे के दिन, डे बिफोर यस्टरडे वेडनेसडे के दिन मेरा फ्रेंड गया, दो टिकट थी, परेशान हो गए बोले, बहुत परेशान हो गए बोले। कोई तरीका है मैडम, वो कोई सिस्टम।
आप लोग हमें 1 घंटे के बाद देखिए,
हमने आपको अपडेट
नहीं दिया मैडम,
नहीं हिंदी में नहीं बोला आपने।
आप पूछिए उनसे, मैं कम से कम 3 बार आके गया, हमारे को पता नहीं है, हमारे को पता नहीं है बोल रहे मैडम।
तो सर मेरा information
हाँ मैडम बोला ना, जवाब 12 बजे की बोल रहे हैं आप।
सर वीडियो ले रहे हैं क्या? Stop that video right now.
It is not allowed to use
No.
camera inside.
नहीं 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 ले सकते हैं आप ले सकते हैं। अरे मैडम आप हमारे को सपोर्ट नहीं करते,
Security को बुलाओ.
आप बुलाओ सिक्योरिटी को।
I am from security only.
So finally they update that it will take almost another 2 hours. So we are just going back. So now I don't want to board this plane anymore because some technical issue is going on. So I will not take my life on just because of the 5-10,000 So I'm going back now finally, and one another guy, he is also with me. And for me it's still okay because I'm local, I can just go back without any hassle, but for him it's very difficult because he's not local, right?
Yes, I am from Hyderabad now. I need to see like how to go. It's all messed up.
And you need to book hotel now, right? Where you will stay now?
Not sure. Once
need to
I'll
book
go
hotel,
to,
right?
I'll ask them to book whatever next immediate flight is there. I'll see. Otherwise, I'll change the airlines, ask for refund
Let's try
and
to
compensation.
ask them to book hotel for you also, right? It's their fault. They need to book hotel for you.
Yes. It's because of their fault only. I had to cancel my bus also from Hyderabad.
It's not our fault. It's still, you see, our plane is here. There is no update so far. Just people are roaming around. They're trying to check what's technical issue. There is no senior officer also here
In cockpit
to
also
update
there.
us. Cockpit also, a lot of people
They're
inside.
repairing something or
They're trying to repair something. No update, no food, just 1 cup of water they are serving. It's so difficult. Even when I try to ask air hostess, the cabin crew, she said if you want to deboard the plane you need to pay 10,000. That's quite funny that I need to pay 10,000 to deboard the plane rather than they need to give me compensation. That is super
when I
crazy.
asked the
SpiceJet.
air hostess, she said that you cannot deboard them.
Yeah, they force us to go with the same plane. After almost like 5-10 people they started argument, then only they agree that okay, you 2 people can deboard, but other still I guess almost 100 people are still there inside in the plane. So let's see what will happen, and I think we should check on airport also first compensation or to reschedule the flight, because The problem is tomorrow I have another flight to come back from Hyderabad to New Delhi. So I need to reschedule that. Yeah, connecting flight.
That also.
Yeah, my
they have
return
to-
flight.
They have to
And-
compensate that also.
Luckily that flight is Indigo, so hopefully they will be able to reschedule because of this Spice issue, or they will understand. So let's see. I will go on airport and check with the Indigo, and same time I will check with the Spice ground staff that if they are going to help me to reschedule my flight or cancel, just return, and then I will book from another airlines. I'm not sure which one, but for sure not SpiceJet. I think this one only for Indigo. This one only for Indigo. There is no belt for SpiceJet. Let's check the information desk.
Luggage belt number for this. SG16.
Belt number. For this, there is a SpiceJet counter over there. Just confirm it with them. They will let you know about the bag.
Let's see, because it's a special case. I guess they don't have any idea. We need to go to SpiceJet counter and check the details.
SG162 का luggage कौन सी बेल्ट पे है?
See, I think he also don't have any idea.
That is the confusion. They don't know.
I don't see any policy. You're not allowed to shoot video. I don't see any signboard. Camera is not allowed. It's a public area.
Only when they have any technical issue, you cannot shoot.
Only, yeah, that is true. When they don't have any issue, you can shoot video. But when they have some technical issue, then you're not allowed to shoot any video. Let's see.
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर रिकॉर्डिंग क्यों कर रहे हो
Sorry?
रिकॉर्डिंग क्यों कर रहे हो आप
Because it's a public area.
ऐसे रिकॉर्डिंग करने अलाउ नहीं है सर हमारे यहाँ पे
Is this Spice policy or airport policy?
एयरपोर्ट पॉलिसी सर आप ऐसे किसी की वीडियो नहीं बना सकते
No, no, I'm not shooting your video. I'm shooting a generic video.
Allowed नहीं है ना आप यहाँ पे ये हमारी टीम देखी कि मना करेगी इस चीज़ के लिए ऐसे वीडियो नहीं बना सकते ना
But I haven't seen any signboard that camera is not allowed.
एज पर सिक्योरिटी रीजन से अलाउ नहीं है
Like if you travel in metro, you will see camera is not allowed, video is not allowed, photography not allowed.
ऐसे आप वीडियो नहीं बना सकते
How's about the reschedule the flight?
स्टाफ ने आपको ब्रीफ किया सर वहाँ पे
They said you can check with the counter. They will inform.
टेक्निकल फ्लाइट थी इसलिए
So they said you can schedule your flight for tomorrow. Today there is no flight, so you can go to counter on airport and they will suggest you.
कितने बैग है आपकी एक बैग
Big bag. Alright, so finally we managed to get full refund, and then he gave me this manual receipt, fully refund, and for him also. But now what you will do? You will find another flight to go back,
Yeah,
right?
I'm thinking to book Air India flight is there, direct one. I'll book another
By
flight.
today itself, right?
Today
Tonight,
itself.
okay.
6 o'clock morning.
Morning, or how you're going to sleep?
That's what we can.
No choice, right?
No choice.
But it's still, at least you got the flight, right?
Flight is there, at least alternate is there.
Yeah. So now he need to sleep and wait at least another hours. No choice. So for me, the problem is I need to cancel all my hotel bookings in Hyderabad, and then also my second flight was from Air India. From Indigo, the return one. So Indigo give me some email address. Let me show you the email address. Can you turn this one? So I need to mail them to get my refund from Indigo. I'm not sure if they will help or not, but no choice. I'm going back home. That's all. Next time what you need to do, which airlines you need to book, just choose wisely. Think twice before you're gonna book SpiceJet. So bye bye. Okay, boss.
See you. Bye.
Bye bye.